This one rule can delete almost any negative account on your credit report. Let me tell you something the credit bureaus, credit repair companies, and influencers never want you to hear. If any piece of information on your credit report violates Metro 2 compliance, they're breaking federal reporting rules, and by law, if they can't prove it, they must remove it. Now, the scary part, they break these rules constantly, but they expect you to never notice. Before we go any further, let me make one thing clear. This is not ChatGPT. ChatGPT can't read a credit report accurately, doesn't understand Metro 2 compliance, and has no clue how to identify violations. People feed it disputes. It spits out generic letters, and eOscar, the Bureau's automated dispute system, flags them as low priority. That's why you get the verified as accurate letter over and over. And of course, then you've got Credit Versio and Dovly. Credit Versio, 3 basic template letters dressed up as AI credit repair, no Metro 2, no compliance attack, just generic fluff. Dovly pulls only from TransUnion and guesses what's on the other bureaus. You could be disputing phantom accounts that aren't even there. And here's the slimy part. Influencers rebrand these same products, slap their name on it, and charge you double. Same weak letters, same 0 results. Now understand that most people fail because they never use Metro 2 compliance in their disputes. Metro 2 is the standard every creditor, collector, and bureau must follow. If one detail is wrong, even just one, that account is in violation. Now we're talking different dates between bureaus, payment history showing okay and late in the same month, a closed account still showing a balance. The law says if it's not 100% accurate, complete, and verifiable, delete it. And the billion-dollar question is, why don't they fix it? Because bad credit is a gold mine. Bureaus make billions selling your data to subprime lenders, auto dealers, and garbage credit card companies. The worse your score, the more they can sell your name for. That's why they drag their feet, unless you hit them with Metro 2 compliance and consumer law. And listen, even the credit repair companies aren't saints. They claim to be customizing your disputes, but they're using the same cookie cutter templates for hundreds and thousands of clients. No Metro 2 targeting, no law citations, just busy work to keep you paying monthly. And here's where DisputeBeast flips the script. It's the only platform that combines Metro 2 compliance attacks, factual disputing, consumer law enforcement, and here's what it does. It pulls your full reports from all 3 credit bureaus, pinpoints Metro 2 violations instantly. It cross-checks every account for factual errors, and it generates custom letters for Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, creditors, and secondary bureaus like LexisNexis, Clarity, DataX, FactorTrust, Innovis, ARS, Credco, and Microbilt. Each letter is a legal demand, not a request. Prove it or remove it. And here's the kicker. DisputeBeast is the only credit repair software with a 110% money back guarantee. If it doesn't work, you don't just get your money back, you get more than you paid. Nobody else in the credit repair space stands behind their product like that. Not Credit Versio, not Dovly, not any of the influencer knockoffs either. I've truly seen a $15,000 charge-off deleted because the date open didn't match between bureaus. Collections erased because the balance wasn't updated monthly. Late payments wiped out because the status conflicted with the payment history. So let's put up the results for July here. Now this isn't the full month of July, but I'm gonna show you one page. This is Moses, 113 point increase. Now you can see 45 points on TransUnion, 43 on Equifax, and 25 on Experian. We target each separate score. Now Quentin, 71 points. Whitney, 107 points. Alan, 72 points. Kevin, 255 points. Jabari, 26. Limon, 89. Okay, that's just July. Let's go over to August. Now let's put up August because that was just July. That was one page. Now let's show August right here. Monica, 262 points. Ashanti, 128 points. Victoria, 74 points. Miguel, 106. Wayne, 26. Jocelyn, 213. Alonzo, 147 points. Just scan down. Look at, there's Johnny, 393 points. That's crazy. You can see something here that's very clear. DisputeBeast gets real results. You know what? That's not enough. Let's put up a third page. Yeah, because we have thousands of these pages of people getting credit score increases. Now, this is also in July. This is our second page of results for July. John, 17 points. Daniel, 24 points. Anu, 146 points. William, 128 points. Owen, 73. Ashton, 27. Andrea, 57. Charles, 379 points. You can see right there, 129, 115, 135. And then you have Scott, 166 points. Again, consistently getting people results. Last part's the most important. But we're not gonna stop there. I want you to see exactly how easy it truly is to use Dispute Beast, because a lot of people say, why can't I just pay you to do it for me? You don't have to. I wanted to create something that was economically sound that anyone could use to fix their credit. There's no need to pay anybody any crazy fees when Dispute Beast can truly do all the work. You don't have to pick any letters. You don't have to pick any reasons. This isn't 1988, it's 2025, and we have leveled up Dispute Beast to the highest level possible. Let's check it out. You're going to go to your main attack hub. It's the home page. Now, as you can see right there, the big blue button says start attack. You're just going to click that button. Once you click that button, it's going to show you and import all of your accounts that are on your credit report. It's going to highlight the negative ones. As you can see right there, it clearly says negative. Then you're going to scroll down. We only have one other negative right there. Then if you want to attack any hard inquiries, we'll get to the bottom of it. You can do that if you choose to, but it will tell you what to do and what not to do. So there's no guessing game here. You're going to be guided the entire way. It's just super simplified. But we're not going to attack any hard inquiries here. We're just going to start our attack. Now, generally speaking, it takes about 40 to maybe 50 seconds. Generally between that time frame, it will create your custom attack letters. I've never seen it go past 1 minute, just being honest with you. You're going to get all of your letters in one place, and then you'll choose whether you want to actually print them and mail them on your own, or you use the integrated mailing partner inside of Dispute Beast. It's the first of its kind. Every other software makes you send them off to some other company or something. No, everything's integrated into Dispute Beast. With Sprint Mail, you have the option in there. So it's gonna tell you right now, it's almost done. I can sense it, I can feel it. And then it's gonna just populate all these letters, all of them in one place. So you don't have to go anywhere. There it is. So there it is. There's your option for Sprint Mail. You can have them mail them for you for a total of $27.63 if you decide to use that new service. That's absolutely awesome. Then you can also mail them yourself. If you mail them yourself, it's going to email you all of the letters to your email address on file, and then you just print them and mail them. There's TransUnion, Experian, Equifax, your creditor that we're going to attack, and all of the secondary credit reporting agency, all 9 of them. This is the only software that gives you everything so easily. It literally is one click. Well, actually, technically 2 clicks to decide whether you want to mail or you want to actually print them on your own. So the choice is yours. It can't get any easier than this, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're ready to get started and take control of your credit, make sure to comment Beast to get started today and fix your credit. Listen, every day you wait, violations sit on your reports, costing you more in interest and lost approvals. They expect you to never learn Metro 2 compliance. They expect you to settle for generic letters. But when you combine Metro 2 compliance with Dispute Beast AI plus the 110% money back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Listen, I'm gonna say it again. If you're ready to stop wasting time with ChatGPT, ditch Credit Versio or Dovly or any credit repair bootleg company out there and go on the offensive with Metro 2 compliance, drop the word Beast in the comments. I'll send you the link to start your attack today. Remember, if they can't prove it, they must remove it. And if Dispute Beast can't make it happen, you get 110% of your money back. That's how you win the credit game. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We covered another big one on how to fix your credit using Dispute Beast, because if they can't prove it, they must remove it. If you have any Capital One credit cards that you want to do any credit limit increases on, make sure to watch this video right here, because it's going to show you how to do it with no hard inquiry. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.